Hi, questions in probability. In this textbook, Problem 3.12, a recent college graduate is planning to take the first 3 examinations in the coming summer. She will take the first exam in June. If she passes that exam, then she will take the second exam in July. And if she also passes that one, then she will take the third exam in September. If she fails an exam, then she will not allowed to take any others. The probability that she passes the first exam is 0.9. If she passes the first exam, then the conditional probability that she passes the second one is 0.8. And if passes both the first and the second exams, then the conditional probability that she passes the third exam is 0.7. Question A, what is the probability that she passes all 3 exams? Question B, given that she did not pass all 3 exams, what is the conditional probability that she failed the second exam? Solution. Ri is the event of the college graduate passing the exam I. The probability she passing the exam 1 is 0.9. If she passed the exam 1, the conditional probability she passing the exam 2 is 0.8. If she passed both first and second exams, the conditional probability she passing the exam 3 is 0.7. Then the probability of she passed all 3 exams is given by this one. Now, for the case she didn't pass all 3 exams, the conditional probability for that she failed the second exam is given by this one. Then we get this one. Note that if she failed the second exam, she cannot pass all 3 exams. So this conditional probability equals 1. So we get this one. From this one, we get the result. Problem 3.14. N initially contains 5 white and 7 black balls. Each time a ball is selected, its color is noted, and it is replaced in the N along with 2 other balls of the same color. Compute the probability that the first 2 balls selected are black and the next 2 are white. Of the first 4 balls selected, exactly 2 are black. Solution. We see this result. And this result. Problem 3.16. 98% of all babies survive delivery. However, 15% of all births involve C-sections. And when a C-section is performed, the baby survives 96% of the time. If a randomly chosen pregnant woman does not have a C-section, what is the probability that her baby survives? Solution. Let E be the event of the pregnant woman's baby survives delivery. Let C be the event of the pregnant woman involves C-sections. Now, we have those probabilities. Then, if the pregnant woman does not have a C-section, the probability that her baby survives is given by this value. Problem 3.19. A total of 48% of the women and 37% of the men who took a certain quick smoking class remained non-smokers for at least 1 year after completing the class. These people then attended a success party at the end of a year. If 62% of the original class was male, what percentage of those attending the party were women? What percentage of the original class attended the party? Solution. Define those events. We have those data. We see those percentages. Then we find this result. And this result. Thanks for watching. Bye.